I study in City Kala. Happy Gandhi जयंती. गांधी जी के 3 बंधन थे. हमको उनसे ये शिक्षा मिली. बुरा ना सुनो, बुरा ना देखो, बुरा बोलो. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे. भूले हम रहे हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे. ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सालिम का पे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे. पर्दा उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे. दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गए. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
Hello everyone, myself Kanika from grade 5th. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October. Gandhi ji was a great freedom fighter. He is also known as Bapu and father of our nation. He helped the country to get free from the British rules. Thank you.
अहिंसा हमारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत है. वो देशी बमिया मिसाल से अधिक शक्तिशाली है. इससे हमें हमेशा अहिंसा के वार भी करना चाहिए. तो
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. The literal meaning of Mahatma is a great soul. The title of Mahatma was given to Gandhi ji by Rabindranath Tagore. Mahatma Gandhi, in his autobiography, by experiment with truth, has given his philosophy about various aspects of life, his teaching and preachings. He was not only the freedom fighter, but he was a great philosopher, thinker, politician, reformer, social worker, gospel of peace, and above all, a noble human being. He has given two most important things to all of us. That is his philosophy about peace and non-violence, which are more relevant now than ever before. As we all know, that violence is increasing the society among the nations, and unfortunately our neighbors are using all means of violence against us. The peace, the world peace may lead to Ram Rajya, may lead to development of the entire world, is missing. And therefore we all should take a vow that we will follow the teaching and preachings of Mahatma Gandhi, particularly about peace and non-violence and universal brotherhood. One more important thing that he has given is that self-reliance of the Indian villages, and I would say the self-reliance of the nation. Even our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has talked about Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is an extension of the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi about the self-reliance of Indian villages. So we should try to make our villages, our country self-reliant, and should reduce our dependence on imports of technology, goods and services from other nations.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम। ओ भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आंधी बहती रे, वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे में था दम।
जैसा कि मैं समझता हूँ, जो नारा आज हमारे देश के जरूरी है, आज आपके सामने रखता हूँ और प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप सभी मेरे साथ दोहराएंगे। जय जवान जय किसान। Good morning everyone. My name is Ashra, studying in grade 2 of SRN International School. Today I am going to give a short speech of Lal Bahadur Shastri views on Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, which means hail to the soldier, hail to the farmer, is the famous slogan given by our second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Soon after, Shastri took the Prime Ministership of India. After Nehru's death, India was attacked by Pakistan. At the same time, there was scarcity of food grain in our country. Then he gave this slogan to enthuse the soldier to defend India and simultaneously cheering the farmer to do their best increase production of food grain, so dependence on import will be reduced. Thank you for listening me and have a great day.
जय जवान जय किसान, यह महत्वपूर्ण नारा सैनिकों और किसानों को उत्साहित करने के लिए लाल बहादुर शास्त्री ने ही दिया था। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1904 को मुगल सराय ब्रिटिश भारत में हुआ था। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री स्वतंत्र भारत के दूसरे प्रधानमंत्री थे। शास्त्री जी को अपने हाथ की लकीरों के बजाय अपने चिंतन और कर्म की शक्ति पर अधिक भरोसा था। विनम्रता, सादगी और सरलता उनके व्यक्तित्व में एक विशेष प्रकार का आकर्षण पैदा करते थे। शास्त्री जी ने दुग्ध उत्पादन बढ़ाने के लिए श्वेत क्रांति और खाद्य उत्पादन बढ़ाने के लिए हरित क्रांति अभियान को बढ़ावा दिया। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का 11 जनवरी 1966 को दिल का दौरा पड़ने से निधन हो गया। उन्हें 1966 में मरणोपरांत देश के सर्वोच्च सम्मान भारत रत्न से सम्मानित किया गया। धन्यवाद।
Jessica Goyal, class 2nd. They are my lovely fishes. There is one shark, 3 golden fish, and 1 white fish, and 1 black fish. Please don't cut any polythene and triangles it. When garbage goes to the sea, fishes eat it and they are done. Please love animal, tag animal. Bye. Bye bye. Hello, my name is Sumra Khan. I have a cat. Cats are the member of our family. Cats keep rat population in control. Cats are the best predator for capturing rats. Cats have sharp claws and teeth. Cats are successful animals. Thank you.
The word humanity comes from a human. Let's do justice to the word by showering love to animals. Happy World Animals Day. A very cordial and pleasant greetings to Honorable Chairman Sir, esteemed Board of Directors, respected parents, versatile gurus and all my budding blossom Asanians. World Animals Day is celebrated every year on October 4 to raise the status of animals in our society. It was started off as a way to highlight the plight of endangered species. This day has evolved into a day to honor all the animals of the world through raising awareness in whichever way possible. Animals are an integral part of our ecosystem. Without them, our survival would be at stake. In order to explain how important animals are, World Animals Day is celebrated each year on a global scale. The objective is to educate people about animal welfare and other aspects that involves protecting and nurturing various animal species. It's super easy to help animals no matter how old you are. Check out easy ways to save animals to get a jump start. Animals shouldn't be blinded, poisoned or burned just for the soap, shampoo or lip balm we use. But in labs across the world, these things happen all the time. Take a stand against animal testing by buying only cruelty-free product. Testing on animals should be completely banned. Teachers must perform a virtual dissection in class to teach the students. Thousands of animals are sacrificed every year in the name of worship or Qurbani. It should be completely banned, as such practices are barbaric and cruel. Sacrifice causes immense pain and suffering to innocent animals. They cannot be permitted to be sacrificed to appease a god, deity or supreme power in a barbaric manner. Ensuring animal welfare is a human responsibility that includes consideration for all aspects of animal well-being. We have a social responsibility to take care of our best friends, that is animals, who most vitally supports ecosystem, and let's be sensitive towards them. Being the member of civilized community, we should follow the principle, live and let live. Animals are fascinating. Love them, adore them and save them. Happy World Animals Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
A very warm greetings to Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Ravi Shankar Ji, retired IFS, distinguished and venerated Board of Directors, most prized and respected Principal Ma'am, valued and endeared SRN fraternity, and adorable and talented Asanians. It is truly said and noticed that life skills increase our understanding of the world around us and equip ourselves with the tools we need to live a more productive and fulfilling life. Most people associate learning with a formal education, but learning can and should be a lifelong process that enhances our understanding of the world and improves the quality of our life. In everyday life, the development of life skills helps students to find new ways of thinking and problem solving. It recognizes the impact of students' action and teaches them to take responsibility for what they do. It also builds confidence both in spoken skills and for group collaboration and cooperation. Our versatile and dynamic Asanians are regularly attending different life skills classes, which is undoubtedly enhancing their personality. Drama, dance, music and art not only allow students to channelize the energy, but also experience and identify emotions. These days, yoga, sports and meditation are increasingly being included in school curriculum. This aids in managing stress and increasing concentration. Sports and are also helpful in learning critical thinking, self-awareness and effective communication. Very precisely, I take the privilege to say that our school had all the tools to aid holistic learning. As we believe in the fact that schools are the key stakeholders in the future of their students, we have made sure that the integration of life skills with the school curriculum can ensure the students' future, which is to be bright. Thank you.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ, हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। सापा धारे गारे गामा पासा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। रट के क्यों टैंकर फुल, आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल, ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, ओ मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम। ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों, सोचो तो सोचो ना, प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया। ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया, ऊपर वाला क्या कोई कलाकार है। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
नमस्कार। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। प्रिय सारियंस, आपको इस नवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपके ऊपर सदैव माँ सरस्वती, माँ आदि शक्ति और माँ लक्ष्मी की कृपा सदैव बनी रहे। हैप्पी नवरात्रि, शुभ नवरात्रि।